Yes, so today we are going to start, we will discuss today of how to assign a baseline. You can see the screen,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, I can see
Yeah.
the screen.
So today we are going to talk about how to assign the baseline and uh, and then how to put the progress. So once we finish our timeline schedule, okay, this is the indicator
Mhm.
column here on this side. This is the indicator column. Once we
Okay.
finish our scheduling part, then as I said before, we are going to assign some resources. Let me add some resources
Resources.
like,
Yeah.
labor, and then I'm going to add some, let's say, for example, JCB machine.
Yeah.
Okay. So this labor is
Work.
a work,
Yeah.
and JCB machine is
Will
also
be material.
work.
Okay.
And material is, let's say, for example, concrete. Let's say, for example,
Concrete. Yeah.
concrete is a material, right?
Okay.
Now here, I'm going to assign that labor will be maximum utilized for this particular project, or for this particular, because this is not, I mean, I did not assign to any activity. Concrete,
Yeah.
let's say, for example, it will be assigned 50 percentage.
Okay.
Okay, this one here. Talking about material here. It is a material,
Yeah.
and this one, the rate will be for work. Okay, now I can see something here that in my MS project, because it is demo version. Okay,
Okay.
so that's why I don't have some of the options here. Okay,
Okay.
this is what I'm seeing here. Okay, once we finish this part, you remember we have discussed this one before, right?
Yeah.
Once we finish this part, once we finish the assigning the labor, then we will go back to the Gantt chart area. Okay, this is the
Yeah.
Gantt chart area. And now we will assign the resource here. So we will say, like, resource name. So here, like, let's say, for example, block sitting, we are adding some resource like, JCB machine, labor,
Labor. Yeah.
right? Or here we will add only labor, uh,
Okay.
just for example, we are adding JCB machine here. So in this resource sheet, we will have a cost here also. But right now, I
Yeah.
cannot add the rate here in order to be to show the cost here. That's why it should show the cost to me also. Because
Okay.
if I go to the project information tab, and if I click on statistics, it should show me the cost, baseline cost, right?
Okay.
Once I finish this part, then I will go to the project window and I will assign here. I will click on set baseline. If you see your MS
Okay.
project, you will have an option for set baseline, because since my MS project is not the paid one, it's the demo one.
Okay.
That's why this option is not shown. If you click on set baseline, you will have an option for selecting the baseline. Selecting the baseline for the entire project. Okay, you will click
Okay.
to set the baseline for the entire project. Okay, once you set the
Okay.
baseline for the entire project, so you will see, uh, yeah, you will see, like, you will, on the Gantt chart area, you will have some options, like, some another color here. Okay, One
Yeah.
dark blue color and light blue color. So light blue color
Yeah.
is dark blue color will be the planned one, the baseline,
Okay.
bar graph, the baseline bar graph. After that, you are going to update the program. Okay, how you are going to update the program? Once you set the baseline, and you will see on the bar graph there will be a different color. You need to update the baseline. So how you will update the baseline like this? Let's say for example block setting activity. Okay,
Okay.
25 percentage complete here. If you click on task
Okay.
and click on 25 here on the 25 percentage, so it will show 25 percentage complete. I will also add here person
Percentage
complete.
completion.
Person complete.
Yeah.
Okay, here I can add the person work complete. The person work complete it will be for the entire project. Okay, but
Okay.
person complete is for one activity particular. Here I am going to say it is 100% complete, 75% complete. Here I am going to say 100% complete. Okay. Okay, here I'm going to say it is, see, you see here there is no labor, so that's why the progress percentage for the project is not increasing. Here there is a resource, I'm going to say here it is 100% complete. So you see here it jumps to 61
Yeah.
percentage, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Because if anywhere there is a resource, the cumulative percentage will be calculated based on then the resources and the cost, right?
Yeah.
So it will jump up to 60, it has jumped up to 61 percentage now. So again, if you click on project and project information, statistics, in statistic you can see work is 61% complete, which is this column. I'm talking about this column, work person complete,
Yeah. Work completion. Yeah.
which is 61 percentage, and duration person complete is 9 percentage.
Okay.
Okay, but you need to also set the status date. Okay,
Yeah.
after adding the percentages you need to assign the status date here. Right now if you click here it will show like any the set the status date to report progress of the project, or the status date is used for progress and earned value calculations. If you do not set the status date, it will default to the current date. So it will run now. It is a default as a current date, but I'm going to change its set status date. So right now I
Okay.
have updated until this is my last activity, which is
March.
10th of March. So
Yeah.
10th of March 25. I'm going to click 10th of March 25 because my status is updated until 10th of March. I will click on
Yeah.
OK, and you see it is rescheduled for 10th of March. And maybe if the project is delayed, so it will be extended, right? Based on the new
Okay.
status date. Okay. And I can see here also again the project information. So it is again 61% complete, 90% complete. Finish date will be Wednesday, 9th of April 2025. And I have
Okay.
actuals of like 44 hours. Okay, but since the baseline is not set, because I don't
Yeah.
have the option, if your baseline is set, it will show you here, how much is the baseline plan duration, and how much is the baseline plan work, and how much is the baseline plan cost,
Cost.
and how much is the actual, and how much is the remaining, right?
Okay. So from here only I will get how much I assign the man hour or cost, and how much the actual, and how much remaining.
How much remaining? Yes, but you will not assign, it will calculate for you automatically. Once you assign the
Okay.
resources and once you assign the baseline, after the baseline, you are going to start updating the activities. Once you finish
Okay.
updating the activities, you will set the status date. After applying the
Yeah.
status date, you will check the project statistics. The project statistics is shown from the project information here, and
Yeah.
it will show here the baseline, uh, how much is the baseline percentages, how much is the actual percentages, right?
Okay. Yeah.
I want you to do this exercise in your file and send me the updated file.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So when can you complete this file?
I will prepare today night shift. I will send tomorrow morning before 9 o'clock.
Okay, send me that file tomorrow morning with this exercise. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. See you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
See you.